So good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about Christmas. Okay, so it's an Christmas day. Now we are going to discuss about Christmas. So first of all, I am wishing you all a Merry Christmas, very Merry Christmas to all of you. Okay, so first I am inviting any student who wants to come first. Okay, Aradhya, please come at the stage. So you have to tell about the Christmas. Okay.
Okay, according to me, Christmas is a it's a Christian festival, and Christians celebrate it with a lot of joy and happiness. We also celebrate it like in schools, and mostly we are also organizing a party to give it a honor. And I think I have heard a story about it that the Lord Jesus, Lord of Christians, who sacrificed his life to save the humanity and to save his his Christian people. He sacrificed his life and all the means stuff which gives him the relaxation, and he left everything for him, and he get ready to be hanged on the keels, and he sacrificed his life and he get died. So for giving him an honor, we celebrate Christmas on every 25th of December, and also we are celebrating it means before 5 or 6 days before of New Year. And every Christmas we are having a lot of fun, and we wishes that our wishes will come true, and we have made an imaginary person. We named him as Santa Claus, who we think that he give gifts to the children who are very good and who behaves good at school and at home with other person as well. That's all from me. Next time inviting Harshvardhan.
So first of all, very good evening to everyone. I am Harshan. Today I am actually presenting our topic, Christmas. First, I am wishing a very Merry Christmas. Let's start. So according to me, there is any type of Santa Claus, but in previous time, in the side of North Pole, there was a person who gives gift to kids, and he was give the gifts to children. So then children thinks there was a person who comes at night, and he will give me gifts, but it's nothing. Nowadays our parents become our Santa Claus, and we make a list that in this list we write our demands, and then our parents wear Santa Claus clothes, and then they gives us that thing. So that's all about my topic. Now I'm inviting Kush.
So as far as I know, Christmas is celebrated Christmas is celebrated at the time of while New Year was coming, and people is very happy because on this day people decor their homes, shops, etc. As a religional purpose, Christmas is not Hindus festival, but Hindus may also celebrating Christmas, and it is the festival of Christians, but Hindus also celebrate. So that's all about my topic. Now I'm inviting Yasraj for presenting his topic.
So my topic is Christmas Day. According to me, I agree with Kusu that he said that I also think that the Christmas Day is not real for everyone. In previous time, some people give their children some gifts on Christmas Day. So the children think that the Santa Claus came. The Santa Claus came and give them gift. But Santa Claus is not real. Some people think that Santa Claus is a god which gives everything, which thing they demand for themselves on Christmas Day. Many people also gather many people's names on Christmas Day, and make and make a list of their demands, and think that, and in night they think that the Santa Claus come and give them gift. That's all. Now I want to invite Christy.
Okay, thank you, and Merry Christmas to all of you. And I would like to say that Christmas is a day which is celebrated to spread joy and happiness in all the world, and it is a type of festival on which three are the main colors. Those are green, red, and white, and it is like a theme of this day. And also the small or young children have some type of, I mean, about 100 signs they do of the person, and they think that, and it's an imagination of Santa Claus, and they think that we will get the gift, and they keep it in their near the pillow, and when they sleep, so their parents give them. And also Christmas tree is decorated on this day, and it's a type of pine tree, and it is celebrated with balls, some type of balls, and also with lights. And the people celebrate this festival with a lot of joy. And thank you. Now I would like to invite Manu.
Okay, so Christmas Day, it is yearly, every year it is celebrated every year on 25th of December, and it is a festival which is celebrated by Christians, but there are so many people who also celebrate Christmas Day to enjoy this day, and they do so many things, like they held some parties to enjoy and make some themes, like we do this on that day. And on that day children also believe that like in night Santa Claus come and give special gift that they want on Christmas Day. And that's all from me. Now I want to invite Harshit.
So first of all, I want to wish you Merry Christmas to all. So let's start the topic. So as we know that Christmas is a festival that is celebrated by the Christians. On this day, they generally prefer the Christianity, and on this day, all the Christians prayed in front of Jesus Christ, as we know that He is a God for them, as He sacrificed all of her comforts to take up the task of afflicting the Christianity. And on this day there is a main role of Santa Claus, that they believe that Santa Claus will gift him to those children who do right work and help someone. And in India also so many people celebrate this day by collecting the signs. They just believe that if they collect 50 to 100 signs, so Santa Claus gift him. And on this day Christians decorate a tree and keep socks below the tree. They think that Santa Claus will gift him in the socks, and it is very precious day for them, that they will celebrate this day. This day is full of joy, and in so many schools celebrated this day by organizing parties and fairs. And this is a very precious day for all people. Thank you. Now I want to invite the Samyak Jain.
Hello everyone, I am Samyak Jain. First of all, I would like to wish you on a very happy Christmas day. So let's start. So Christmas Day is the festival that is celebrated by the Christians as their main festival, and it is not only Christians. There are many cultures who celebrate this festival, like Hindus, etc. And it is very famous. It is very special day for children because of Santa. They believe that Santa Claus will give them gift of that day of morning, and also believe that if they have 50 to 100 sign of paper, so they keep the paper blue on the door. After that, on morning, the Santa Claus will give them gift and in our school some teachers also organize a party, and it is the festival of joy and happiness. So that's all about my topic. Now I would like to invite Arshit Yadav.
So first of all, good evening everyone, and a Merry Christmas to all. So now I'm starting my topic. Christmas is very popular festival that is celebrated in all over the world, and it is celebrated with great joy and happiness, and all the people give gifts and take blessings from their elders, and it makes us very happy and joyfully, and it is come on almost on last December on New Year, almost on the time of the New Year, and on this day all the parents give a blessing to their child. That's all from my topic. Now I'm gonna invite Shivansh.
So I am Shivans, and we know that Christmas is a Christian festival. Christians celebrate this day with a great joy, and also Hindu celebrate this day with a great joy, and children's gather 150 to 100 signature to collect signature, and they think Santa give him a one gift, and but it is not real, and Christian thinks Santa is his God, and Santa sacrifice his life for the Christianity. I am invited to the Divyans.
So first of all, Merry Christmas to all. So let's start the topic. So Christmas is a Christian festival, and Christmas is a Christian festival. It is celebrated every year on 25 December, and it is a festival of Christians. So on this day, all Christian people pray the Jesus Christ, and in our India, so many schools also celebrate Christmas, and government also passed a rule, if in a school we celebrate Christmas and we want to wear clothes to the students, so first we have to permission their parents, and if we don't take permission their parents, so this is also crime. That's all. Now I am inviting Siri.
So first of all, Merry Christmas, and I hope you, so that you are celebrating this Christmas more enjoyable and happy with fun. So let's begin with this topic. So basically, Christmas is a festival. It is a Christian festival, and people do the fun on this day and just do some parties and make this day more enjoyable. And also, we can do some also other activities on this day to make it more funny also and more happy on this day. And we are seeing on this day the schools and many coach tuitions are doing the more activities and make this day more enjoyable, and they are just spreading the happiness around us. That's all. Now I would like to invite Garv.
First, I would like to Merry Christmas Day. And Christmas is a Christian festival. Christmas Day is celebrated every year on 25th December. And Christmas, people say that we sit on socks. Santa Claus come on and give a gift. And this day we decorate the tree and our homes. And Christmas, that's all about. So I want to conclude this topic. Please do share, like and comment this video.